How you guys doing? I'm gonna show this. It was 97 point something before in reference to temperature. Let's see. And that somebody tried to communicate or something saying they tested that, and they're burning my mouth at like 198 degrees. And then the satellite man tried to call somebody a liar or something. But I guess somebody tested this at the temperature. So the satellite man burning my face, 96.6, which somebody had said, or somebody tried to communicate something saying that was 100 and something, 196 degrees or something. I can feel them burning my lips right now on my teeth. But somebody has like the configuration difference of this device, which I guess that means that the satellite man's burning my teeth near like 200 degrees or something. I'm not sure, but that's what somebody was trying to communicate. But they have caused more severe teeth damage today on the front teeth. So it's 97.1. 97.1. All right. So, they're burning my teeth and face. And I don't have a battery. What does that sound like?